Hi guys, this is So with Sika, and today with the help of our front bodice block, I am going to teach you how to make this beautiful wrap top. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to cut our back because there is no extension at the back, there is no zipper at the back because this is a wrap top and then we have the opening in front. So the first thing we did is to fold our fabric into two like this and then place it on fold, the back on fold, because we don't need any extension. Now I am leaving a little bit of an allowance at the top because we are going to add ½ inches all round for our stitching allowance. Now I am going to pin. Okay, so after pinning, I added allowances to it. So we added half here, half on the neckline, half on the shoulder, half around the armhole, and then we added 1.5. So 1.5 for the stitching allowance. You can decide to do 1/2 or even 2 inches. So I decided to add 1.5 to the stitching allowance. Now we are going to cut it out and then our back is ready. Ready to learn sewing from home? Join our online sewing class today. Registration is still ongoing. After cutting, this is what we have for our back, no zipper extension. So now let's use this to cut our front. So the next thing we have to do before cutting our front is leaving this allowance for our overlap. So I did 4.5 inches. You can decide to do 5 or 6 depending on how close you want your front to be. Some people want to show cleavage, so the more you add, the more close your front is. So if you decide to add small, it's going to be open. So it depends on how you want it. So I did 4.5 over here. So from here to this side is 4.5. Now I am placing my front right on the line like this, and then I'm going to pin it out. Don't forget to also leave an extension here because you are going to add sewing allowances on the sides. After pinning, we are going to add ½ inch on the bottom side, 1.5 for the side seam, half for your armhole, half for your shoulder, and then half for your neckline. So I am going to do just that, then we continue. All right, so with this one, because it's a wrap top, we don't need this neck here. We are going to join this ½ inch from this part all the way to this place. So you take your rule and then you draw a straight line from ½ inch from this neck all the way down here like this, and then this is how we are going to cut it out. So please, you can just push in your neck like this. So I can decide to also remove the pattern so that you see the line very well. So it's coming all the way from the shoulder. Don't forget you added ½ inch to it, and then we are going to cut it out just like. Course outline for our beginner sewing class has been pinned on our profile. Kindly check it out for more details. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. So this is how it's going to look like after you sew. So you can see that it's overlapping. When you are done sewing this, you can just decide to create a belt, fix a belt here and also here so that you can use it to wrap up like it's done in the picture, and that is it. Your wrap top is ready. Thank you.